Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can put text behind the person in CapCut. So the first thing here that you can do is open up your CapCut app on your mobile and basically just need to select the video that we're going to use. Now the first thing that you can do is add a text. So basically tap on this text right here at the bottom and tap on this add text. And then here basically I just want to type sample as a sample text, and then we're going to change the style. So for example, I just want to use this font style here and I want it to make bigger, so I want to change the font size. So for example right here, now basically we just need to add some animation. So we're going to tap on animation and then select in, and from here I just want to use this glitch, the first animation right from here, and I want to adjust the animation time into 1 second. So basically I just want to make it into just 1 second. So right from here, then also here on out I just want to also use this glitch, and basically I just want also to adjust it into 0.5 seconds. So once you've done, you just need to tap on this check right here at the top right, and then we're going to lengthen this sample text. Now right here, going to export this one. We're going to tap on the export icon at the top right and basically wait until it's exported on your gallery. Now once you've done here, you just need to create a new project. So basically tap on new project and select the video. And basically here what you're going to do is tap on overlay and add overlay. And we're going to add the original video from here. So for example, and then we're going to adjust this one to make it fit into the new video. So you just have to drag that new old video or the original video, and we're going to adjust it at the start of the video. Now the next one here is tap on the original video and then tap on the cut out. So basically from here, then we're going to tap on remove background. Once you tap on that, it will now starting to remove the background. And finally here, the background has been removed. So if you're going to play this video, as you can see, the text now is put behind a person in this video. So that's it. That's how you basically put text behind a person in CapCut. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.